Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make free origamis. First is a YouTube button, second is a butterfly, and third is some pants. So first I'm going to show you how to make the pants. So let's just scooch these over and scooch these over. So to make the pants, you need one rectangle of paper, and to make a rectangle of paper, you take a square piece of paper, fold it in half, and then you cut it on that line. So first what you do is you move it to the white side if you have a white side, and you fold it in half. And make sure that you fold in half the right way so that it looks long. Now you unfold and you fold it this side to the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. It's a little squeaky. Now on the other side. See? And then just crease it. And then you fold in half this or the other way. Just take it and fold it in half. Just get it really lined. Sorry. And then you fold these little corners down to here. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do it the best you can. And then you unfold this point, and then you flip it over, and see these folds? You're going to reverse those folds. Just it might be hard to see, but like that. And then you take this corner and put it to middle, and then take this corner and put it to the middle, and then squash it. And then you fold this part up, aligning with the edge there, see? So just do that. Do the same thing on the other side. Sorry, can't really see it. And then this is the easiest step, the last part. You just take this part, move it like that, and then do the same thing on the other side. So let me show you again. You take it and put these flaps together and do the same thing on the other side. And you have the pants. Now we have two pieces of pants. So let's move those over and move this over. And I'm using orange because I can't really find red paper with white on the other side. For this one, you need a square, and for the last one. So take it, and so you fold it in half this way on the diagonal. then do the same thing on this side. And unfold again. Unfold each side, each of these corners to the middle. It's really squeaky. Just fold each of them to the middle. This origami is pretty easy. And actually, all of these are pretty easy, so you don't have to be experienced to do these origamis. But the butterfly might be a little bit tricky, but not that tricky. And then you pick one of the corners and you fold, just let me get it, and then you fold it like that. Just like that. So, see, I did that line, so I fold it like that. And do it on the right side. Now, pick it up. And you're going to take it and squash it. Might be hard to understand, but like just take it and fold those like that. Making this little flap here. Now, fold it that way and fold it that way. And then you're going to like fold this flap like that. This is going to be the little triangle right there. So and then you take it, move it that way, and do it on this side. And then you open this and you move this flap to the middle and this flap to the middle, making something like that. And then you fold a triangle according to this edge, the edge. So see, you have that, and then you fold it and so that you can't see it when you flip it over. Okay? Then you're going to open it up and reverse that fold. So just reverse it. So I reverse that fold behind, inside of there. So can't see anything on the back. Can't see anything on the front. Now, this is like close to the end. You're going to, I put on the table and so that it makes it easier, and you move that flap to the side. Actually, you fold this to the middle. Then you unfold that, and then move it on the fold, and then you fold these flaps to the middle. So just do that. Mine isn't very good, but yeah, just do it and then unfold. Pick it up, move this flap to the side, and then do that fold again, and move it to the back to the side. And do the same thing on the other side. So you're almost done. Just you fold these corners, making it more of the YouTube's button shape. And then do it on the other side. Just let me get these back. So you have your YouTube button and the pants. So move these to the side and move these. So this is the last one. It's been a long time. So it's been 11 minutes. So take this and you fold it in half this way. And then you fold it in half this way, making a smaller square. See? And then you unfold that, and you keep it, and then you open this up, and you just like fold it on that line, and then make it like a triangle. It's a little bit hard, but just squash it. And then the model will look like this on the other side. And then do the same thing on this side. You might have to like fold it like this to make it easier, but just fold it and squash it like a triangle. There's another way to do this. I'm just doing it how I learned how to do it. Kind of hard to figure out. This side might be a little bit harder. So you've done like what you did on the pants. Mine doesn't look very good. And then you take this flap and you fold it up to the middle, leaving a little gap at the top. Or kind of big gap. Just like that. So the bottom touches it, but the top doesn't. Then do the same thing on the other side, trying to like match it. Then you flip it over and it'll look like this. So then, this part's a little bit tricky. You fold this corner down a little bit farther than the edge. Then you move these up and you try not to rip it, but I ripped that one because that was my first try. Just make that and then do the same thing on this side. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. I should have said that earlier. And then flip it over and it'll look like this. Almost a butterfly. So fold this flap, this corner down. And then get it to you fold it in half. And then you roll it. This part's also really tricky. Just kind of make a fold like that. As you can see here, I did it right there. This one's just a little bit smaller because that one was used 20 by 20. This is just 6 by 6, I think. And then you fold each of these corners down. Making a more round shape. Maybe a little less on this one. And on this side. Those. And then you might want to, roll the paper a little bit more. Just go into this thing. And then your butterfly is done. So your YouTube button, your butterfly, and your pants are done. Bye, guys.